If you've ever wished your RV bed felt a little bit more like the bed you have at home, this might be one of the best upgrades you can make. This is the Froli bed system installed in our 2025 Casita Spirit Deluxe. It works like a lightweight box spring underneath the mattress, helping improve comfort, airflow, and support. The dark blue sections are standard support springs, while the lighter blue sections are softer and designed to reduce pressure around your shoulders. We were so happy with the way this turned out on our main bed that we decided to install the Froli system on our side bed as well. We will now start the installation process from scratch. Once the mattress was removed, you can really see what these fiberglass camper beds normally look like underneath. Fiberglass is strong and lightweight, but there's not much flexibility or cushioning built into the platform itself. Before installing the Froli system, we decided to add something extra underneath it. We picked up a rug pad at Lowe's to prevent the Froli system from sliding around on the fiberglass surface. Once it was laid out, it created a nice grippy layer between the fiberglass and the Froli springs. It's a small detail, but it made the whole setup feel much more secure. After that, we measured the bed platform to figure out exactly how much of the system we needed. One thing that's nice about the Froli system is that it's modular, so you can customize the layout to fit your space. We then used the instruction sheet to plan out the number of spring sections and support pieces. The layout process was actually pretty straightforward once we started organizing everything. We also planned where we wanted the softer shoulder support sections to go. We are counting out exactly how many frame pieces we need for our bed. In this example, it is 3 rows by 11 rows. Once the planning was done, it was time to start assembling everything. The Froli pieces simply snap together into a flexible support grid. No drilling, no glue, and no permanent modifications to the casita. The install itself went surprisingly fast. Honestly, the entire project took us less than an hour from start to finish. There are 3 hole positions in each frame piece. If you have the frame pieces connected close together, it makes it much firmer. If you connect the frame pieces further apart, it is softer. We chose to use the medium or center hole option. And because the system is modular, you can always reconfigure it later if you want more or less support in certain areas. Make sure the arrows printed on the frame pieces are all facing in the same direction. The Froli system comes with an install tool that makes it easy to connect the pieces. If you accidentally connect the pieces in the wrong place, you can use a pair of pliers to disconnect them. Here is the completed frame. Next, we will install the plastic spring pieces. This is a simple click and twist. Remember, the light blue springs are for softer support, which is useful around your shoulder area. Once the Froli system was installed, we put the mattress back in place. You can actually see the added height and spacing underneath the mattress now. That extra space helps create airflow under the mattress, which can help reduce trapped moisture and condensation. And you can immediately feel the difference in how the mattress responds compared to sitting directly on the fiberglass. Here's the finished result with both beds fully set up. This ended up being one of the easiest comfort upgrades we've done in the casita. It adds support, improves airflow, and helps stimulate the feel of a traditional box spring without adding much weight. And according to my wife, who originally found this system, it's a huge improvement in sleeping comfort. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RV bed setup, hopefully this gives you a good look at how the Froli system installs inside a Casita Spirit Deluxe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.